Everyone who counted you out. Everyone who said you couldn't. Everyone who gave up on you. 12 months from now, they're gonna wish they hadn't. You know exactly who I'm talking about. The ex who left because you weren't enough. The friend who stopped believing in you. The family member who wrote you off. The boss who overlooked you. The people who watched you struggle and did nothing. They all made a bet. They bet against you. 2026 is the year you make them lose that bet. Not with words. Not with arguments. Not with proving them wrong to their face. With results so undeniable they can't look away. Imagine December 2026. Your body transformed. Your bank account different. Your confidence unshakable. Your life completely changed from what it is today. And everyone who doubted you has to watch it happen. They won't congratulate you. Not at first. They'll make excuses. Say you got lucky. Say you changed. Say they always believed in you even though they didn't. That's fine. You'll know the truth, and so will they. The revenge isn't telling them off. The revenge is becoming undeniable. If you've got a list of people who doubted you, good. Use Italiano. Follow this channel, and let's make them regret every word. Here's how you make them regret it. First, use the doubt as fuel. Every time you want to quit, remember their faces. Remember what they said. Remember how it felt when they gave up on you. Let it burn. Let it push you when motivation fades. The best revenge is becoming someone they can't ignore. Second, go silent on your plans. Stop announcing what you're going to do. Every time you tell someone your goal, you get a small hit of satisfaction, like you've already accomplished something. You haven't. You've just talked. Work in silence. Let the results make the noise. Third, outwork everyone they know. They doubted you because they saw what you were. They didn't see what you're capable of when you're locked in. Showed them. Work harder than you ever have. Become obsessed with your transformation. Make the next 12 months the most productive of your life. Let your results be your response. Fourth, level up in every area. Don't just transform one thing. Transform everything. Body, money, style, skills, confidence, relationships. When they see you next, nothing should be the same. The transformation should be so complete they question if you're the same person. Fifth, don't reach out to prove anything. The temptation will come. You'll want to send a text, post something they'll see. Make sure they notice. Resist it. The most powerful position is not caring if they see it. The transformation is for you. Their regret is just a side effect. Sixth, forgive, but don't forget. Carrying hatred will slow you down. Let go of the anger, but keep the memory. The memory of being doubted is valuable. It reminds you what you're building away from. This time next year, you'll be in a completely different place. And everyone who bet against you will have to live with that choice. They gave up on you too early. They underestimated what you become when you're focused. They thought the man they saw was the man you'd always be. 2026 is the year you prove them wrong. Not for them. For you, but they'll feel it anyway. Let's make them regret it.